Hi guys, what is going on? Enny here from the Print Haven. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you the top 5 go-to printing processes for print-on-demand products here at the Print Haven. I'm going to explain to you why these printing processes are useful for print-on-demand and what type of niche you might need to be in that these printing processes will be favorable to you. Right after the break, once we get back. Thank you. Guys, welcome back. Right, so in this video, like I said, I'm going to be telling you the top 5 printing processes for print on demand that we here use at the Print Haven, and I'm just going to dive into it. But before I get into it, remember to subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, remember to like this video. Obviously, it's going to be a wonderful video as we always do, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we make extraordinary, wonderful videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's move forward. Now, the first printing process that we go to as a company is definitely the laser engraving printing process. Now, laser engraving is good for stuff like bottles, metal surfaces. We also even recently added the wooden surfaces to the laser engraving situation, right? And this printing process helps people who want to give out promotional products. So if you would like to give out a bunch of promotional products at your wedding, and you would like to give out stuff like a multi-cable charger, we have the LED light up multi-cable charger. You can give that out as well. If you like to give out a bottle, you can do that as well. That is why the laser engraving process is one of the best go-to processes for us here in terms of print on demand, right? And we can do as many quantities and as many products as possible, as long as they have a flat surface, either they are LED or they are directly metal. We can, even if it's wood now, we can actually laser engrave on those products. Now, the second one, which is one of my favorites, has to be the DTF, right? DTF means direct to film, right? So direct to film means when we print, we're definitely going to be printing on a film, and then we're going to be transferring whatever we print on that film onto a t-shirt, onto a pillow, onto like a hoodie, onto a face cap. It depends on what it is. But if you're maybe a creator, if maybe you're an influencer, or maybe you're just someone who wants to run a campaign of some sort, and you want to print stuff on t-shirts, if you want to print stuff on hoodies, if you want to print stuff on apparel, DTF is the go-to for you. Why? Number one, is really quick, is faster. Number two, the print quality is absolutely amazing. It is one of the best printing go-to printing processes that we have here in the Print Haven. So direct to film is one of them. That's number 2, right? So now the third go-to printing process for us here at the Print Haven has to be the embroidery process. As you can see right here, I'm wearing the Print Haven polo t-shirt right here, and as you can see, this right here, this logo is embroidered, right? So definitely for apparel, for towels, if you're a hotel, right, you have a hotel or you manage a hotel and you want to have like your logo on each and every towel, on each and every blanket, on each and every curtain, on each and every I don't know, you name it. Basically, if you want to have your logos imprinted on stuff like that, you definitely want to use our printing services with the embroidery. We can embroider as much as 10 to 100 to even 1,000 immediately. It is one of our best printing processes right here at the Print Haven. And definitely, if you're looking for something good, of good quality, something great, right, you should be looking into the Print Haven to embroider your stuff for you, right? Man, remember, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, remember to hit that subscribe button. Remember to click on the notification bell so that whenever we do any video like this, you will be the first to be notified. And if you haven't liked the video by now, come on, why don't you like this video, right? So now moving on to the next one, right? Number 4 is going to be one of my, I love this one, basically because it is not everywhere yet, right? It's not everywhere yet. It's called the UV, right? The ultraviolet print, right? The UV stands for ultraviolet light, right? So ultraviolet lights prints on flat surfaces, right? Flat surfaces such as, you know, notepads, glass. We were able to make the ultraviolet printing machine to be able to print on glass, although there are some other special things that we put in order for that to happen, and that is why we were able to be able to bring out the mementos that we bring out with the glass. And we also print on other surfaces like journals. We can even print on bottles depending on how, you know, the customer would like it. But it is one of our go-to printing processes here in the Print Haven, and we are glad to say we are probably, if not one of the 5 companies that have the UV printer here in Nigeria that actually does print on demand for it. So if you're looking to do something with the UV printer and you're looking for somewhere that you can actually go to that will give you the best quality and do as many quantities as possible, then you should be thinking about the Print Haven. So now we've already mentioned 4 of them, as you can see, right? So now that I've mentioned the four of them, the go-to printing processes for us here at the Print Haven, I'm going to be mentioning the 5th one. But remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We're making sure that we deliver accurate content to you. So remember to turn on that notification bell, and obviously remember to hit the like button. Now, without further ado, the final printing go-to process for us here at the Print Haven is the stickers, right? So stickers are absolutely wonderful. The reason why stickers are absolutely wonderful is because stickers are used for people who are into like cosmetics, people who are into food and beverage, people who, you know, you want to serve some stuff in like a plastic bottle and a plastic bowl or something, and you just need the right sticker, right, to put on it for you to get the most sales. We take our sticker orders very seriously because we know that these stickers are the design on the stickers, right, the way the stickers look, right, the quality of the stickers might actually be judgmental to the customer who wants to purchase your product. So we put in a lot of thought whenever we are printing out stickers. And I believe this brings me to the end of the top 5 go-to printing processes for the Print Haven. As you know it, for print on demand, definitely we are number 1, and we are the best when it comes to print on demand in Nigeria, or promotional products here in Nigeria, or personalized gifts here in Nigeria. Until next time, my name is Enny, and I realize that a lot of you guys, you know, you watch these videos, but you guys don't comment. Remember, a lot of you need to start commenting, right? Start commenting. Do you like this video? Don't you like it? What type of printing process would you want the Print Haven to do for you? And you just might win something, right? So until next time, take care of yourself. My name is Enny. Bye-bye.